Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size the whole world round, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.